TikTok banned in the US. So as I'm filming this video, the TikTok debate in America is heating up, honey. You guys are in the future, comment below what is currently happening. I'm definitely still spending a lot of time on TikTok. I'm still trying to like detox from social media every once in a while. I do it on Sundays. You guys can follow me on Instagram if you want to see all of that. But this is my screen time right now. Comment below yours. Please don't make me feel so alone. It's addicting as hell. While you're at it, if you want to follow me on TikTok, I do some stuff like this and like this. It's a good time over there. I'm usually very skeptical when it comes to buying things online because I'm a hoarder. I really just am. I recently just watched The Home Edit on Netflix, binged it. Went to the Container Store 3 times this week, bought everything. My house is spotless. I can't wait to show you guys more on the vlog. I'm skeptical when it comes to buying things online, but these were things that just kept popping up. I just kept thinking, should I get it? Should I not? So here I am. Don't buy until I try. I'm gonna save you money. Oh, and by the way, if any of these things do end up working and you want it, I actually do send one of the products to one of you. So if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, hit that bell, and then comment below which of the products you are interested in. Also comment your Instagram because it makes it a lot easier to find. Feel free to skip around in this video. I'm leaving time codes here for your convenience. Time is money, honey. So my husband is behind the screen. He is going to be the assistant. Yo. So what shall we start with first?
Let me check the script.
I'm feeling kind of hungry. Why don't we do the egg thing? This is a beautiful egg cooker. How many of you spend way too long boiling your eggs and they don't turn out that great? Then you got to peel it off. It's a disaster. But assistant. Then it says hands. This is what it looks like. It is quite gorgeous. Okay, you guys are gonna want to comment that you want this down below. I'm not gonna lie to you, I already tried this. I spent the weekend boiling eggs, making delicious breakfast. Now I just want to show you how this works. So pretty much this can cook up to 6 eggs. It cooks anywhere from 6 minutes to 8 minutes. It comes in a variety of different colors. It is only $20. It can do soft, medium, and hard boiled eggs. It can also make omelets and poached eggs according to Tenesito over there. It claims that the eggs come out consistently perfect. It's easy to peel. Let's test it out. I bought it in blue because I like blue. So here we have our cute little device. Quite simple actually. We get a little container like this. It was a soft, medium, and hard. I definitely want a softy egg. I'm gonna put it up to there. Bam, honey bunny. You take this little section and we're gonna make a little hole in here, which I'm actually kind of scared, but Dennis says that it shouldn't crack. Shoot, I'm scared. Wow, there we have it. We're gonna put it turning up. We're gonna do that for 2 more eggs. Make sure you do it on the right side, people. Bam.
Instructions in bold say, close but do not lock in place.
Okay, it's cool. So we just close this.
Okay, press the button, Emma.
I'm just like a puppet here.
What kind of talking up?
Something's happening here. As we wait here, I'm just gonna chat with you guys real quick. So how are you doing? Like, how are you feeling? I took a 1-week break if you follow me on Instagram, and it was so replenishing, but I won't lie, I feel a little bit lazy today. Do you guys do social media detoxes? After my social media break, it was like, this would be so great to just encourage other people to do social media detoxes. Or would you guys be interested in that? Every Sunday, we just take some time for ourselves. We don't log on, and then on Monday, we kind of do a little refresher and tag each other and chat about what we did. This is so cute. Now for the moment of truth. Ooh, this is hot. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Ooh, look at this, perfect for ramen noodles. Yeah. Comment below if you guys want this. I'm so excited for this one. I have been trying to get fit. I've gained like 15 pounds during quarantine. Anyone else? Am I the only one? But for those of you who have been staying healthy, please do comment below. What are your tips? What have you been doing? This thing is gonna help mama lose some weight. It's a water bottle blender on the go for your busy schedule. It is freaking adorable. Look at this. Look at this, people. The Pop Babies. I'm not really sure why it's called that. It claims to be powerful enough to blend ice, fruits, vegetables, and nuts in only 20 seconds. I mean, if I can take this on the go, make my smoothies, pop it off, drink, take it with me, I think it's fabulous. It smells like nuts, like almonds. I don't mind. We're gonna make a smoothie together and be healthy, clean, working. The hell? I have no idea what this is. We're gonna figure it out together. It also comes with a really cute little ice tray like this. You cannot put normal sized ice in here. Do we have the ice?
It doesn't even mention that.
Well, gotta add some ice though. So I'm gonna make a very basic smoothie. So just banana, raspberry, ice, add some peanut butter, but I already had too much of that. This is the tray that we're gonna use. As for the fruit, you can't cut them no bigger than 2 inches. Boy, this is gonna be messy. I wanna get messy. All right, this is not that great. I think we should put these in a cup. So this is about how much ice that was in the little tray. How much ice, honestly. Great. You have to charge this for 3 to 5 hours. We didn't charge it, but it's connected. Step 2 is to make sure that you're not putting in any fruit bigger than 2 inches. Then you're gonna fill up 1/5 of the bottle with water, just like this. I'm gonna close this up, unplug it.
Turn. Take.
Ta-da! Bam! Open this up and drink your amazing smoothie. It looks pretty good. Dennis just said if you can afford a better blender, then go for it. I honestly think this is pretty good. Baby food. This is good for moms. I think this is wonderful for students, anyone on the go, nurses, whatever you want. I'm gonna link this down below.
That was toilet water.
This is awesome. Do you know what this is?
Toothbrush.
It's not just a toothbrush. This is a micro nano manual toothbrush with 20,000 bristles. Soft floss bristles. Look at this. Is anyone else amazed by this? Feel this, feel this. Wow. It is designed for sensitive teeth. It says soft and flexible and can penetrate the teeth and the sulcus to remove tartar and clean the teeth without damaging the surface protection layer. I don't know what any of that means, but I'm excited to try this out. All right, you guys, welcome to my bathroom. Let's use this baby. All right, here we go. Legit just sits on it beautifully. It doesn't typically when you use a toothbrush, but there's something different about this, all right? Oh, I feel like my mouth is getting a hug. Okay, final verdict. Recently actually just bought an electric toothbrush. Damn. And I love it, but you see my gums back here? They're really sensitive, so I feel like this has been a little bit harsh for me. This felt glorious. It actually felt like a nice hug. My teeth surprisingly do feel quite clean, but still think an electric toothbrush, of course, is a lot better. Interesting product. I feel like this would be good. This is gonna be Jupiter's new toothbrush. Jupiter does not let me brush his teeth. He's not very amused, but this might be soft enough for him. Anyone give me advice on like how to brush your dog's teeth? You are beautiful and he hates it. Oh, look how nice. That's really nice. He hates it. It's final verdict. I think it's kind of cool. If you want it, comment down below. I don't think it'll give your teeth a squeaky clean feel, but I do think it's nice for people with sensitive teeth. This next gadget. This, people, is an incense waterfall. Is that how you say it? Incense? Incense. I said incense. Incense waterfall. The smoke from the incense is supposed to fall down into the ceramic slide like a waterfall, making it really nice and therapeutic. So excited to literally just put this in my bathroom. Oh, look at this. Comes with colorful incense. Oh my God. This was $20. That's not bad at all. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Okay, seriously, again, this is so pretty. Look at this. Very nice quality. I mean, it's definitely a pot. What is this? Oh, handsome, look. They're chopsticks to get my incense. This is really cute. Oh, I love products like this. It's all in the details, people. Burn it. But really quickly, before moving on to that, there is another product that I think will work really well with this. This is an electric lighter. Yes. It looks like a taser, but it's not a taser. Should I just do it? I'm scared. $15.99. I think I'm just gonna go like that. I'm not gonna put it too close to the mic, but people just hear this.
Whoa.
See it? That is crazy. Very first step is to get one of these little cones. Blue. Pink will look very nice too. What should I do?
Not that hard.
It's a life-death decision. Then you're gonna line it up to the very top. We're just gonna light it. This. Oh my God, what is happening here? I feel like I shouldn't be doing this. Oh yes, the incense is starting, but we need a bigger lighter. Well, can you bring a candle too? Like, I wanna see if this works. Yeah, I don't recommend this with this. Well, it worked. Yay, it worked, people. This is my kind of lighter, okay?
Oh my God, this is great.
This is the kind of lighter I like in my life. I think this is gonna take a long time. I think I'm supposed to burn the butt. Yeah. How do I do it then? This smells incredible is what I have to tell you guys. I feel like I'm in a yoga studio, Buddhist temple. Yeah, look at that. It's going, it's working. It's working. Look, it's working, it's working. Zoom it in, zoom it in, zoom in. Look, it's going down, it's going down. Wow, 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 oh my. This is so cool. Incredible, I'm so happy. Wow, images. Anyone else impressed? Is it just me?
It's just you and me in this room.
It's gorgeous. Wow, this is going in my library, everyone. Me next to my incense in my beautiful library.
Nobody cares.
So pretty.
It's not even going all the way to the bottom.
Let it fall. It's because I'm breathing on it. All right, you guys, I placed it somewhere else because of the air. Oh, and Dennis is moving his big ass. Hello? I think you have to watch where you put it because if the air is blowing on top, it's not gonna fall. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want any of these products, be sure that you are subscribed. Hit that bell because I'm gonna be giving away one of these to one of you. And that's all you gotta do, baby. You gotta be part of the family. Comment below what your Instagram is so that I can reach out to you. And also comment which of these products you want. The egg cooker, Blenda, the 20,000 bristle toothbrush. Also, if you wanna reach me after hours, you can always text me at this number right over here. And if you're feeling anxious, worried, stressed, be sure to check out my worksheets. They're completely free and they're always linked down below. If you missed me before then, check out my vlog channel where we vlog about our lives. You can see Jupiter, you can see weird stuff. Check out my last 2 videos by clicking here or here. All right, bye. The US government is reviewing what a TikTok ban. And for TikTok and Natalie's news, Natalie news with Natalie. Okay, forget it. And it's crazy because by the time I post this video next week, there will already be, wow, I can't talk today. I sound like Oprah. I feel like Oprah. One thing I do know for sure. Oh man. Oh, it's not focusing?
He's just a little fluffy, he's fat, he's little, he's so cute.
Oh, look at this little fatty. I love him so much, you guys. Should we get another dog? Hey, look at that fatty. Look at that. Hey, that's the mic, that's the mic. I already kind of showed it last time.
But you never zoomed in. You don't go above and beyond. I am the reason this channel works.
That's the blooper, Alejandro, but don't put that in. Wow, you literally zoomed into my crusty nails.
Oh, wrong side.
Wrong side. Thank God for Dennis. What's the side? This one, right?
Mm-hmm. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh!
What? What? What is that?
Raspberry. The most staining thing in the world. That's
Take it off. I'm gonna go wash it.
over. We interrupt this segment because Dennis is about to go.
I'm gonna have to go wash, guys. Look at what happened in Natalie's life.
Okay. All in one sweater. You can even let me meet it. Dennis? Wow, that is gorgeous. This is gonna be my new ASMR. Next ASMR video. 2-hour video of me doing this.
You thought.
THOT or THOUGT? Damn it! Okay, pass it to me. Okay, Dennisito.
Careful.
Okay, handsome cakes.